Welcome to Untitled Bus.
Welcome!
Welcome to Untitled Bus. Today we're gonna cook lemon and flour and butter.
Okay, Aurora, we're gonna choose some lemons, okay?
Okay.
What do you want? Do you like this one? Ok. Ok, questo? Ok. Uno.
Yeah.
E poi prendiamo un altro. Guarda questo. This is good. Prendo questo. And what are we gonna cook with this now? What are we gonna cook? Let's cook something together now? Okay.
Okay, mommy.
Today we are gonna cook with those lemons that we just got off the tree. Piccata al limone. Beef or veal, even better. Schnitzel, so veal scaloppine with a nice lemony cream. It's gonna be a very easy dish. Very quick. It's gonna take 5-10 minutes. Aurora will help me cooking this dish.
Yeah. I will, Baba.
Okay, thanks Aurora, thank you. Let's start.
Yeah.
First thing we do, we cut 80 grams of butter and we let it melt in a really wide pan where we are going to then cook our beef scaloppine. That's what I have today. I have 5 of them. Make sure that they're really thin and they need to be cooked only a couple of minutes each side. So they don't need to be cooked a lot. They need to be quite soft, and then we're gonna melt them with the lemon. I'll show you how in a bit. While the butter is melting in the pan, we take our nice veal scaloppine and we cover in flour. We don't need too much flour, but they need to be quite covered. So we do this job here, okay? And we leave them here in a plate. È vero, Aurora?
Yeah.
Che stiamo facendo? What are we doing? Okay, we are covering our scaloppine in flour. Okay. The butter is now fully melted and it's time to start cooking 2 minutes each side our beef scaloppine.
Mommy, do it.
Hmm?
Mommy, do it.
You wanna do it, Aurora?
No.
Maybe do it.
Do it.
Do it? Okay. 2 minutes. Nice song. 2 minutes are gone. We turn them nicely. Look at this. And we let them cook for another couple of minutes. If necessary, we increase the heat a bit. Aurora, give me a lemon. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So we're gonna cut the lemon in half. We are gonna create some small slices Vero, Aurora?
Yeah. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
With our organic lemon from the garden. Now we add some salt and pepper. This is the time. Now we add a couple of lemon slices and the juice of half a lemon. Nice. Yeah. That's it. This is pretty much ready, huh? We leave it another minute so that the sauce and the meat becomes all one.
Papa,
Yeah.
can you put more lemon? Can you put more lemon? Can you put more lemon?
No, I think this lemon is enough, Aurora. What do we do now? We chop a bit of parsley. È vero?
Yeah. Yes, Papa.
Careful, yeah. Yeah, you have to be careful. È vero?
Yes.
That's it. That's enough. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Look at this, guys. 5-10 minutes, lemon from the garden, a nice piece of beef or veal, even better, scaloppini, salt and pepper. Look at this. Do you want to try, Aurora?
No.
Why not?
Pepper.
Oh, because there is pepper. Okay, then I'll try. Give me a second, I'll try. Parsley on top. Look at this. Proviamo, Aurora.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah. I'm looking.
That's how we want it.
I'm looking it.
Mamma mia. Fantastica. Fantastico. Com'è, Aurora?
Okay.
That's how it's done in Italia. 10 minutes. Simple. Fantastic. Thank you to you guys that are subscribed to my YouTube channel.
Papa.
Please give it a like, share with your friends. This is a super easy recipe that even a 3-year-old can do. È vero?
Yeah.
Yes. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and enjoy Italian food with me.